Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge.
Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhair ale.
Uber and Bolt 8K challenge day 5. The expense and earning breakdown. Guys, the expense for day 5 is the following: petrol 30 pound, food at work 5 pound, car insurance is the same 10 pound, maintenance 0, car rental 18 pound per day, penalty charge 0, car wash 12 pound, phone bill 3 pound. Total expense 78 pounds for day 5. And what do you think, how was your Friday night, guys? So my day 5 was Friday night. So how was yours? Let me know in the comment box. Yeah, the total earning for day 5: Uber 225 pounds, Bolt 78, and 4 pound tips. So total altogether 307 pound total earning for the day 5. And let me know in the comment box how was your earning for Friday night. My net earning for day 5 before tax 229 pounds, hours at work 13 hours. So guys, let me know your earning after expense in the comment box. Yeah, thank you so much.
When I reach 50k subscriber, I will announce a giveaway for one of my subscriber from the list. So guys, why are you waiting? Subscribe the channel and you could be the winner. You are eligible for the giveaway from anywhere in the world, doesn't matter which country. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you with another video tomorrow. Bye now.